Making stovetop popcorn is so easy. You just need a pan with a lid, some popcorn kernels, some oil with a high heating point. I use olive oil. I turn the oven on to medium heat and just pour a little bit of oil and spread it with a spoon. Then I add just a couple of kernels. I cover the pot. I wait a few minutes for all the kernels to pop. In the meantime, I'm just going to pour a good handful, a little under a quarter cup. I definitely use oven mitts because the handles are hot. So now I just add the rest of the kernels and I shake it up with my oven mitts on, and I just wait for the kernels to pop. This is the fun part. It's going to take probably 3 or 4 minutes. So now you have popcorn. So just move it to a bowl. I add some salt and shake it up, and I can store it for later. Like and follow. Thanks for watching. Bye.